With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So in this question it is given that 20.8 gram of BaCl2, this is not I, this is L, so barium chloride, on reaction with 9.8 gram of H2SO4 produces 7.3 gram of HCl and some amount of BaSO4. So the amount of BaSO4 formed is, we need to find the amount of BaSO4 which is formed. We can calculate this by first writing the reaction which is involved in this case. Here we have BaCl2 positive, BaCl2 plus H2SO4 on reaction together forms BaSO4 plus 2HCl. So this is the balanced equation. Here we will have 1 mole of BaCl2 reacting with 1 mole of H2SO4 to form 1 mole of BaSO4. Now what happens is we can calculate the number of moles of BaCl2 from this, because the weight is given for BaCl2 as 20.8 gram, right? So moles formula is weight, that is weight given divided by the molecular weight. Molecular weight can be found out for BaCl2. I will do this on the left hand side so that we can substitute the values over here directly. We need to find the number of moles, right? So BaCl2 weight, molecular weight BaCl2. So barium is how much? Barium is basically 137 gram per mole. Then we have 2 times of 35.5, which gives the value as 208 gram per mole. Once you get the value of 208 gram per mole, you can substitute this over here. First of all, we have 20.8 gram divided by 208. So once you do this, the value which you are going to obtain will have number of moles of BaCl2, which is 20.8 divided by 208 is 0.1 mole, right? So this is 0.1 mole which we got. So since 1 mole of BaCl2 reacts with 1 mole of H2SO4 to form 1 mole of BaSO4, so we can say that the number of moles of BaCl2 is equal to the number of moles of BaSO4. So number of moles of BaCl2 is equal to number of moles for BaSO4. From this we can say this is equal to 0.1, which will be equal to same formula, that is given weight upon molecular weight, we will apply over here also. So given weight upon molecular weight. Similarly, calculating the molecular weight for barium sulfate, this will be equal to how much? First of all, 137 of barium plus sulfur is how much? It is 32 plus 4 into 16, which gives you the value as 233 gram per mole. We can substitute the value over here and write down, let the given weight be X, that is the amount which we need to find out, divided by 233. That means the amount barium sulfate formed is equal to 233 times 0.1, correct? Now once you do this, value is going to be equal to 233 into 0.1 is 23.3 gram. So the answer for this question would be 23.3. Checking the options which we are having, in the option A we have 23.3 grams, so this will be the correct answer, and rest is 20.8, 9.8 and 10.4. So the only correct answer is 23.3 gram. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.